Apple Watches are great but pricey. Can a more affordable smartwatch have many of the same functions? Let's check out this one from ManiGoo today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox and check out this very affordable smartwatch from ManiGoo. Look at how well its many functions like the heart rate monitor and the blood oxygen sensor work compared to the Apple Watch Series 7 I have here. The watch comes in this nice white box. Inside the box, there's the watch under a protective sticker with simple instructions for the 2 buttons and a silicone watch strap. Let's see, underneath, a charging cable with USB-A on one end and a special connector on the other. There are a couple of spare spring bars for the strap, and an 18-month warranty card which is good and long, a safety guide and an instruction manual with color pictures in English and several other languages. Let's look at the smartwatch in more detail. There are 2 colors available, pink and black one like the one I have here. The watch is round and large, about 45 millimeters across. Lug to lug is about 51 millimeters. And about 11 millimeters thick, which is nice and thin. It'd be great if there's a smaller version of the watch for smaller wrists. It is rated IP68 waterproof, good for swimming. Here it is next to the 45mm Apple Watch Series 7 for reference. About the same size except one is square and the other is round. By the way, if you're curious about the Apple Watch Series 7, check out my thoughts on it linked here and in the description below. Back to the ManiGoo smartwatch. There are 2 buttons on the right side, one to turn the watch on and off and the other to enter the training interface. Like other smartwatches, the sensors are on the bottom of the watch. The charging port is also here on the bottom. The watch is charged with this proprietary charging cable, which connects magnetically. Very nice. Takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and the battery can last up to 10 days of normal use, which is great. Press and hold this top side button to turn the watch on. There's a bezel around the display, but the screen is still quite large. It's clear and vibrant. To connect the watch to the phone, download the app OnWear from the App Store. The app is also available on Android. You do need to create an account to sign in. The watch connects quickly to the phone by Bluetooth. Just select the device starting with LW36 to connect. The app is well designed with settings and records for many functions. There's a button to upgrade the watch firmware. Also, there's a dial center with over 100 watch faces to choose from. Plus customized ones I can make using a photo as the watch face background. Let's put on the strap and try the watch on. The rubber strap is black and very smooth and comfortable. I like how it comes with these quick release spring bars, so no tool is needed to put on or take off the strap. To get to the functions, I could swipe down for the settings shortcut, swipe up for messages, swipe left for activity, heart rate monitor, and sleep monitor. And lastly, swipe right to get a menu of all the functions. Sport activity data, sport tracking. The watch can track 8 different exercises. Sports record, heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, SpO2 sensor, music, weather, stopwatch, timer, message, find phone, and settings. Many functions. Let's try the heart rate monitor out and compare it to the Apple Watch. The ManiGoo smartwatch could check and record the heart rate every 10 minutes. For me, the ManiGoo smartwatch tends to show a bit higher heart rate than the Apple Watch sometimes, but for the most part, the two are close. Here's how the SpO2 sensor blood oxygen level compares. While the Apple Watch takes 15 seconds to take the measurement, the ManiGoo smartwatch measures more frequently. The readings have been relatively the same on both for me. For about $60, the ManiGoo smartwatch is packed with many functions of much more expensive smartwatches like the Apple Watch. There are discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below. I love how the battery lasts for days, so it doesn't need to be charged every day. If you want to experience what smartwatches are all about, but don't want to spend too much money on it yet, this is a great affordable one to try out. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Are you also considering a smartwatch? I'd love to know your experiences with them in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.